Hey everyone, it's Lee here from Boother Tools, your one-stop photo booth knowledge channel. So today I was having an issue with one of my photo booths that has a Canon 40D inside. So the issue was that the camera kept turning off after 1 minute of being idle, and that's a problem because customers come and pick up the photo booths from me at my shop and they don't know how to turn off the auto power off mode. So I keep turning it off myself and I'm having no luck in saving the settings. So I had to dig a little deeper and find out how to actually save the settings. So if you're having trouble with a Canon 40D camera inside your photo booth powering off after 1 minute, I'm going to show you how to change the setting right now so that it is saved. Canon 40D here is off right now, so we're just going to turn it on. And when it turns on, we'll press menu in the top corner here, and then you can jump to the settings. So you press jump until you see, oh, auto power off is set for 1 minute. So we want to click in and change that to off. So very simple, but you have to remember to save that. So now you jump over to the third wrench. There's 1, 2, 3 yellow wrenches, and camera user settings, and register, and see that dial mode C1, C2, C3. We're going to change all of those to save the settings for each one of those. So register C2, okay, and then register C3, done. And now when you turn off the camera and then you turn it back on, press menu, and we'll jump over to right there, auto power off. And now it's saved when you turn it off and on. So now you don't have to worry about the camera anymore. It's already set to continuously run so that it won't shut off while people are having their photo booth fun. Now that we've been able to help you once, I'm sure we'll be able to do it again. So press subscribe so you don't miss more videos on troubleshooting photo booths. Or you can support us and head over to our store, Boother Tools, and buy some photo booth templates at great prices for your photo booth business. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.